Hey everyone, it's your local guy Nate here. Today I'm going to attempt to build a website in under 30 minutes using only 3 tools at my disposal. First one is going to be lovable.dev. This is an AI development tool for creating websites, Claude for the ideation of it, and Canva just for any graphics we need to make. I'm going to put a timer somewhere over here and let's see how we do. Let's get it. All right, so I'm going to start the timer on my phone right now, and there we're off. Cool. So I like to start most projects I do in Claude. It just keeps it easy for the just ideating really anything, any automation, whether if I'm using Lovable for the website design or Windsurf, just because it eats up your credits when you're just talking to it in there. It's just easier to do it in Claude. I enjoy it more anyways. Let's say, all right, so we're going to build a website, 30 minutes. Which is not going to be easy. Let's say we do an electrician's. Yeah, I want to do a trade, so let's do electrician's website. I've done an HVAC one before. So I'm going to go in Claude here. I want to build an electrician's, spelled that wrong, website in Lovable. You will be communicating with me through prompts to give to Lovable for how to build it. I love doing this way. I love using both these tools. I never just use Lovable alone. For those of you who don't know what Lovable is, it makes building websites insanely easy. You don't need to code. It's all prompt based. Lovable, how to build it. Let's see. This is the most important part. I want you to ask me questions about the site. What do you need to know to effectively give a series of prompts to Lovable to build this site? What do you need to know from me? Easy. Details, service city region. Okay. So let's do these in numbers. Business name. Come up with a cool name for me. Make it sound realistic. With an edge of humor. Love it. City region, let's do Austin, Texas. Just residential. Target customers. Let's just do homeowners. Design preference, let's do modern. Color scheme preference. This is where I'll do research the top best color schemes relating to electrician. Can never spell that. Trades names. Existing brand, no existing branding logo. Essential pages. So we're going to do, let's do a home page, services page, and contact page. Let's do those 3. I think that's fair, right? 30 minutes. Essential pages. All right. Special features wanted. Online booking. Let's do a service calculator. Oh, I love those. I love creating those. Testimonials. Yeah, testimonials. Can't spell today. Testimonials and contact form. Just simple. Key selling points to highlight. Blah, 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 blah. Primary purpose. Primary purpose will be lead gen and basically all of them. Research what you need to, and this is also another important part. Research the best industry practices for UX and UI development for web design, specifically for trade businesses. Also research what Lovable will need from us to create a awesome website. Cool. Let's see what we got here. We're at 25 minutes. This is going to be a little difficult. We'll see. Claude's the best for this stuff. Saves you a lot of money too. Windsurf, yeah, an AI ID or a Lovable, I guess considered one too, huh? The credits are getting more expensive by the day. I gave it quite a bit to do. It's probably just going to output the entire website design. I swear, if it starts to try and fucking code the whole thing, dude, drives me nuts sometimes. All right, what's up, dude? I like it. Stupid. Let's do what's up. Let's do what's up. What's up? Oh. All right, so electric blue, orange, white. So see how it already did all that research for me on the brand coloring, the styling of it, what it means. Easy. Livable platform requirements. All right, so it just gave me the whole prompt. So here's what I'm going to do. What's up? I love it. Place this into an artifact and into phases, not too large for lovable, to implement one at a time. I like to start with the skeleton first of the whole site and then define it in more detail from there. So give me a very detailed, basically product requirements document for this website. Every phase will be a prompt to give to Lovable. Cool. That'll do. All right, what am I missing here? Yeah, start with that. Oh yeah, ensure mobile responsiveness and include general guidelines with each phase so Lovable stays within them, such as not going outside of the plan or implementing anything additional outside of the plan. Yep. That'll do it. They say if you do the most of your planning beforehand, that implementation is easy. So we're going to put that to the test today. I don't know how I feel about Claude's new, how it drafts up artifacts. It's nice, but they got rid of the version control, which is pretty annoying. So I want to go back if it implemented something over the artifact. That's frustrating. Because it'll just go off changing a bunch of stuff. Oh, and then I got to create a logo in here for what's up. 20 minutes. 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Okay. I need some inspiration here. What about electricity icon? That doesn't really like that one. You know what I'm gonna need to do? Actually, I'm gonna wait on this because I'm gonna probably create the graphics first. The logo, I'm probably gonna do at the end. I'm gonna hold off on that. Okay. What's up, Austin Electric? All right, let's do it. Create basic site structure with navigation. Okay. All right, I'm gonna feed it into Lovable. As that goes, I am, all right. With what you have, now I need to see what images I need. for this website design. Give me a list of images that you've added as slots on the website. For example, services offered. We want an image to pair with each service, correct? I'm grabbing them from Canva. This will make it easier. So while Lovable's building the site, now we can do the images. Multitask. All right, we need 6 images. Electrical repairs, come back to that. Electrical repairs. Photos, come on. All right, Lovable finished that one. Okay. So now we're going to go on to phase 2. This is the skeleton of the website. Phase 2. I'll make the changes after all the phases are done because I just want to see how it fully iterates the website. On there. This is like a home-based service. Let's do this one. I'm going to do... Yeah, we're going to do a square. Okay. So that's 1. Panel upgrades. Oh, wait. I can just grab that one from here. Why is he... I don't know if that's... I don't know if that's good. Guess I don't have time here to be picky, huh? This guy's doing something, right? This guy's doing something. It's the next one. Outlet installation. Outlet installation. That'll do. Nice. What's the next one? Ceiling fan, safety inspection. Installation. And what's the other one? Safety inspection. It's like industrial. Here we go. I like that one. Perfect. Safety inspection, electrical. This guy looks like he's hard at work, testing away. Let's go with this guy. Perfect. All right, now all PNGs. Let's just keep it at 1. We're going to need to download all of these. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create another design here. All right. I'll download that. It's Lovable done. Lovable finished. So we're going to go on to the next prompt. All right. See how it's shaping up? Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay. What time are we at? All right, 15, 14 something minutes. It's going to be close. All right, so I'm just going to resize this one. We're going to do resize. Let's do copy and resize. Oh, it already finished that one? Create a services page. Oh, already finished. Lovable is getting faster, huh? That was a bad resize. Not for a logo. What about this? 300, 200, 200. Let's see about this. Let's try this one out. Lightning bolt. I like that other one we picked. Is it that one? Yeah, this one kind of looks cool. What's up, Austin? Alright, let's see. Damn, level's fucking fast. Is that phase 4? Okay, I guess these phases I guess are small. Next one. Usually makes a sound when it's done too. What's up, electric? Electric. And do a very basic logo here. Oh, wait, hold up. I did this one in bold? No. I got 12 minutes left. Oh, what about this one? That doesn't. Oh, wait. What about this one with... I feel like there's a lightning bolt that would go with this one. Move. Kind of cool. Given the time frame, not a lot here to go on. This is my perfectionism kicking in, but that is literally impossible. Not this one. You know what? I'm going with this one. We're gonna do this one. It'll do. It'll have to do. Alright. Load. Lovables still going. Alright, that's fine. Now I'm going to provide you the images, 10 minutes or so, for each of the services. So what I gotta do is this. Oh wait, it's just finished. So I'm gonna give it its next phase. Was this the last phase? Apply final polishing. No, it wasn't. Okay, cool. So here's what we're gonna do. Electrical repairs. Gotta go to downloads. No, desktop. Extract all. There we go. So I'm gonna bulk upload these. Oh no, I gotta rename them. Fuck. Electrical repairs, panel upgrades. I just gotta rename these pictures that I give to Lovable. Electrical repairs, panel upgrades, outlet installation, ceiling fan installation, safety inspections. Cool. Those are all good to go. Lovable's still moving along, so I'm gonna start building the next prompt. So this is the last phase, I believe, for it. Okay, so we have, wait, we only have 6 images? I thought I did I miss one? Oh, electrical repairs. Shit. Electrical repairs. No, I don't need a video. I need... I just swore I thought I chose one for the electrical repairs. You know what? You just say electrical and they all look like they're doing the same thing, so I don't think it's that big of a deal. What is this guy doing? Alright, this guy's working with a breaker or something. Let's do this guy. Electrical repairs. We're gonna download this last one. Cool. Electrical repairs. Then we're gonna upload. All right, got it. Here are all the service. They are titled where they need to be assigned to. Add them. The last image is our brand logo. Sit at the top left corner of our header. Ensure mobile responsiveness throughout. Add it to the footer as well. All right, now we're going to grab our logo. Got it right here. Perfect. All right, that's attached. Okay, services. Oh, so it did a little calendar too. That's cool. Although, I got 6 minutes. I want the quick estimate calculator to be more like a couple of sliders. So it's easier and more pleasant to look at and interact with. Detailed information. All right, so it has pricing on there and stuff. So get quote. There's a contact us page. Cool. Quote, detailed information, sweet. Service area. Find a map integration for our service area to display an actual map. Static is fine to show the Austin metro area. Services contact, call now. All right. A couple more minutes. We have the CTA right here. Austin's trusted electrical experts since 2010. I think I said for it to be 2005, but what our customers say. Cool. All right, let's take a look at it here. Oh, and then also mobile. Let's see how it looks on mobile. Sweet. Drop down looks good. This looks fine for mobile, although I wish I had a bit more of a color variation or images. Proudly serving Austin area. I wonder if it could... All right, I know one last thing that'll make this pop. We're going to resize this. We're going to use, copy and resize. All right, so I'm going to open up one more. I want 2 additional images, so while it's adding that, I want 2 additional images. All right, elements. outlets. Austin, Texas. Beautiful. Not even thinking about it. What is the other? So I want to go right there. Proudly serving Austin surrounding areas, and then family on couch. Watch this. All right, this will be great. They look happy, don't they? Cool. Don't care about any of these. Go download. Come on. Couple more minutes. All right. Austin, Texas. I'm gonna do family on couch. I'm just installing or downloading these images right now. Right you go. Come on. Don't have all day. Here are two images. Place the family on couch image in the hero section with a heavy blue overlay. Fix the hero title visuals so everything pops. It looks great. Do the same appropriately for the Austin, Texas image provided to go where it reads proudly serving Austin and surrounding areas. Okay. Not bad. What about the calculator? Number of outlets, square footage, service type, panel installation. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, look at that. Look at that little calendar. I like that. Simple, interactive. How does that look on mobile? Mobile looks good too. Wow. Easy. Here we go. Look, see, doesn't it look much better? You got some images on there now. Oh, it added that one twice, but I don't have time to change that. We have run out of time. Contact. All right, we'll go through in a minute here. It's adding this. 30 seconds. 30 seconds, and that's literally all the time we have. Hands up. $15, $14. Come on, lovable. Okay. It's not bad. Not bad. Time's up. All right, that's the timer. Wow, look at that. Damn. It's pretty good, huh? I'm gonna give it a couple more seconds to finish. All right, it just finished. Cool. Couple seconds over, but let's check it out. All right, so let's review what we created. So we got the logo up here. The front of it looks amazing. I love this gradient. Austin's most reliable residential electricians. Call to action right there. Nice header. Core services. Them little subtle interactions is nice. Why choose them? So licensed, insured. We got all those right there. Social proof. We got some reviews. Nice. Business is already up and running. Proudly serving Austin area. I don't know if the image had this like orange gradient, but that looks incredible. It's pretty impressive. Got the footer. All right, services. Nice little calculator here. This could have probably used an image, but we ran out of time. The Austin, the image down there for Austin would have looked cool right there too. Services, outlet installation. Let's see. Electrical upgrades. Let's see. Put in some outlets, square footage. And look at that. Get exact quote. Look at that. Beautiful. Detailed services. Get quote. Average starting prices. CTA at the bottom. All right, let's see. This goes right to. Oh, it did integrate a map. Check that out. Wait, hold up. Contact us page. License number. Cool. That works there. Service area. So that is impressive. It actually did put Google Maps in here. That was without an API key. I didn't know that was possible, but that's pretty sweet. Service area. Oh, it outlined Austin even. It outlined the border of Austin. That's really cool. Sweet. Call now. Contact. Damn. Not bad. All right, guys. That is building a website in just about 30 minutes. That was pretty. It's not that hard. It's time limit, whatever. But Lovable makes it easy. Again, I highly encourage you to try and use Claude out first, IE8. Just I think if you get in the repetitions of follow a similar process to what I'm doing, it'll probably make your life a lot easier. And you can sell these too. Anyways, comment below what you guys thought and maybe share your projects around. I'll include in the comments a remix to the website so you guys can copy it and check it out. Peace.